Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The other day in Paris, one press reporter came to me, the socialist press. So I informed him that our philosophy is that everything belongs to God. Krishna said, what is that? Bhoktaram jagatavasam sarvarupa maheswaram. I am the enjoyer. Bhokta. Bhokta means enjoyer. Oh, bhoktaram jagatavasam. Just like this body is working. The whole body is working, everyone's, to enjoy life. But where from the enjoyment begins? The enjoyment begins from the stomach. You have to give sufficient nice food stuff to the stomach. If there is sufficient energy, you can digest. If sufficient energy, then all other senses become strong. Then you can enjoy senses. Otherwise not possible. If you cannot digest, just like we have now, old men, we cannot digest. There is no question of sense enjoyment. So sense enjoyment begins from the stomach. The luxuriant growth of the tree begins from the root. If there is sufficient water, therefore the trees are called padapa. They drink water from the legs, the roots, not from the heads. It's like wheat from the head. So there are different arrangements. As we can eat from the mouth, the trees can eat from their legs. But one must eat. Ahara nidra bhayamato. The eating is there. Either you eat through your legs or your mouth or your hands. But so far Krishna is concerned, he can eat from anywhere. He can eat from hands, from legs, from eyes, from ears, anywhere. Because he is complete spiritual. There is no difference between his heads and legs and ears and eyes. That is stated in the Brahma Samhita. Angani jasa sakalindriya vittimanti pashyanti pahanti kalayanti chirang jaganti Ananda chinmaya sadhu jala vigrahasya govindamadi purusham tamam. So, as in this body, our sense enjoyment should begin from the stomach. Similarly, as the tree begins developing luxuriantly from the root, similarly, Krishna is the origin of everything. Janmadasya jata, root. So without Krishna consciousness, without pleasing Krishna, you cannot be happy. This is the Krishna. Therefore, how Krishna will be pleased? Krishna will be pleased that we are all Krishna's son, God's son. Everything Krishna's property. These are facts. Now, we can enjoy taking prasadam of Krishna because he is the proprietor, bhukta, enjoyer. So everything should be given first to Krishna and then you take the prasad. That will make you happy. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Bhunyante te abhava papam je pachanti atmakaranat. Those who are cooking for eating themselves. They're simply eating scenes. Bhunyanti to abhampa. Je pachanti jagyate karmannatra lokayam karam. Everything should be done for Krishna. Even you are eating anything. All sense enjoyment. You can enjoy. But after Krishna has enjoyed, then you can. Therefore Krishna's name is Rishikesh. He is the master. Master of the senses. You cannot enjoy your senses independently. Just like the servant. Servant cannot enjoy. That is a cook, cooking very, very nice food stuff in the kitchen. But he cannot eat in the beginning. That is not correct. Then he will be dismissed. The master first of all must take, and then they can enjoy all the nice food stuff. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,